Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the class of Cbse class 9 maths chapter 2 polynomial, and today we solve exercise 2.4. The first question is this: factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. And now we know that how can we factorize a polynomial. So there are two types of factorization problem. First type is quadratic polynomial, that is if the power is 2, and second type if the polynomial is cubic, that is power is 3. So first we solve this quadratic type polynomial. So how can we solve this quadratic type polynomial? So first you have to multiply the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? It's 12, and the constant term is 1. So what we get? 12. So first step is multiply coefficient of x square and constant term, then we get 12. Second step, this is the step number 1. Second step, factorize the resultant that we get by multiplying the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So if we factorize 12, then we get 2, 6, and 2 3s are 6. So we get 3 factor, 2, 2, and 3. Now step 3, you have to observe that what is the sign of constant term. What is the sign of constant term? Here positive. If there be positive, then you have to do the addition. If there be negative, then you have to do the subtraction. So this is the step 3. So in the step 3, you have to see the sign of constant term. What is the sign of constant term? Is positive or negative? If there be positive, then you have to do addition. If there be negative, then you have to do subtraction. Okay, now see here positive sign. So which are the factor? 2, 2, and 3. If we multiply 2 into 2, then 4. Okay, so 4 plus, we have to do addition, that confirm because there is positive sign. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So already we get 7. Okay, if we go through the another way, that 2 into 3 into 2, so 2 plus 2 into 3 means 6 is equal to 8. That is not in here. So this is the correct way. Okay, so we have to add 4 and 3. Okay, so this equal to 12 x square minus sign, same sign we have to put here, minus, and in place of 7 we put 4 plus 3. And this method has a name, that is middle term factor, because we factorize the middle term. That's why the name of this method is middle term factor. Now we put in place of 7 4 plus 3, so that we factorize the middle term, that is 7. Okay, now put x same as the initial line plus 1. Now simply multiply 12x square minus 4x plus into minus 3x plus 1. Now regroup this first two term and regroup this second two term. So from first two term, which is the common factor? There is a common factor from constant portion, that is 4, and from variable portion, that is x. So 4x is the common factor. Now what is the remaining in 12x square? 12, from 12 we get already, we take already 4, so there is only 3 is remaining, because 3 4s are 12, and already 1x is take, so 1x is remaining here, minus 1. Here no factor is there, but only minus sign we can take as a factor, because we have to we have two common factor here, like 3x minus 1. So I take minus 1 as common factor, then it will be 3x minus 1. Now see, for 3x minus 1 and here 3x minus 1, so 3x minus 1 again here common factor, take 3x minus 1 is a common factor. Now what is the remaining term here? It's 4x, and here is minus 1. So this is the factorization of the first problem. In this way you can factorize any quadratic polynomial, not cubic. Okay, for cubic I discussed later.